It is time for the Currency Shop's weekly update on the Australian dollar. Here are the exchange rates between the Australian dollar and other major currencies. The Aussie hit its highest point this year against the pound last week. These are the average rates you might be offered for transferring money overseas or exchanging currency for a trip through your bank. We get a better idea of whether these rates are good or bad when we look at the percentage difference between the actual rate and what you're offered. Let's compare the Aussie against the US dollar to see how it's performed in the last week. We nearly saw the Aussie dollar hit 76 US cents last week, which is the highest it's been for a while. It's still been volatile against the US dollar though, dropping to 74.82 US cents on Wednesday. Despite this volatility, the Aussie dollar is still recovering from its 11-month low in May, and it's still higher than it was 18 months ago. Let's find out if the forecasts for the Australian dollar have changed in the last 7 days. Westpac revised their forecasts slightly for the Australian dollar. They increased their forecasts for both the New Zealand dollar and the euro. Generally though, the banks see the Aussie dollar either staying the same or going down against most major currencies by the end of 2018. If the information in these videos is helpful and you'd like regular updates about the Australian dollar, please subscribe to our channel. And if there's anything else you'd like included in these videos, just leave it in the comments below. Our website, thecurrencyshop.com.au, is a comparison site for exchange rates. So if you need to make an international money transfer or exchange currency, you can compare rates from multiple providers there. Have a great week.